Do the text on your iPhone look blurry after updating to iOS 26? Don't panic, because in today's video, I'll show you an easy tweak to make your text sharp and easy to read again in just seconds. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your iPhone, go to your settings. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size. Here you can see the option of Reduce Transparency. This will improve the contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. Toggle this option on. You can see the difference before and after turning on this option. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.